within these few seconds, I really want to show you this hidden secret many students use to bag a very good high jam score. Just like the higher your jam score, the higher the chances of studying your dream course. And over the years, I've come to realize that in preparing for jam, it is not just all about reading, it is all about preparing smart. So I want to quickly show you this secret app. I've seen good tons of students use. I've recommended it for good tons of students, and indeed, it has showcased the results through them. So I call this app Exam Guide. I'll run you through how to install and also show you some interesting features about this app. Yeah, quick one, you dash to your Play Store. So I get to Play Store on my phone. Mind you, this app actually works best if you have a PC. If you have a PC, you get maximum value for the app. So uh, but for those using phone, just get to Play Store and type Exam Guide UTME 2022. It pop up with a green icon, and just you can see it has like 136 reviews. It's a Nigerian app, Nigerian made app obviously. It has about 10k downloads. So you just need to do just to tap the install, and you wait for some few seconds for the app to get installed. So it's just about 40 MB, not even up to 34.89 MB. It will not take time. One interesting thing about this app is it is an offline app. It is not a app that you need data before you can have access to the database questions. And also the interesting part is it has a lot of questions up to date. For that matter, you can access at least back as 2000, 2001, 2002 questions. So the app is actually installing, and it's about to install. Once it's done, you will definitely see and open. So all you need to do is just to tap the open at the upper part of the screen, and you wait for it to load. Yeah, here you are. So all you need to do is just do a very quick sign up. For instance, I want to use Tunde email address. You can just do any email address, Tunde at gmail.com. Yeah, phone number, you can put any phone number as well, 0706. Yeah. Nigeria states. We insert, okay. So for me, I'm from Lagos. All these are not really necessary. I guess this number is actually beyond 11, so I got to reduce it. So you tap register. Boom. This is the user interface. I'm just going to quickly run you through the menus here. Powerful menu indeed. You can see practice for UTME about 20,034 questions. If you're bored, we have educational games, performance analysis that analyze your performance so far. Leaderboard. This is actually it's a rank amidst users. This is UTME literature books. If I tap here, you see every literature books, current literature books for use. We have them, Life Changer, and quite numbers of them. We have UTME Challenge for those that want to participate in the challenge. They actually have challenge they organize for students, and so on and so forth, dictionary and the likes. But here's our major concern: practice for UTME. Just like you can see, we have all the old subject practically, every of the old subject. So let's say, for instance, I want to do a practice for like English. Just like you can see, it has questions from 2000, 2016. Then every of these model are also an additional benefit. Okay, so you can also pick the number of questions you want to answer. 60 for English. You can select the topic you are really interested in doing, but then I need all the old topics to showcase itself. So same thing applicable to maths. You have your question, you can select number of questions, you can also select topics. So let's assume I'm an engineering student, I want to study engineering in school. I have English, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. So I tap the four subjects, then I tap continue. So once you tap continue, interesting thing about this app, check it out. Look at the exam mode. Look at all the exam mode. They have this practice mode, the study mode. Study mode, no timing, only show you hide and answer questions. Mock mode, just typically the examination part if you really want to have an exam atmosphere. And practice mode, this one will give you the details of your results immediately you are done submitting. You can also time yourself. Practically Jamb exam is for 2 hours, so I'll leave it for 2 hours. Once you tap start, then the question pop up. As you can see, the interface is very similar to the interface you're going to see in your while writing your Jamb exams. Oh, if you observe so well, it's okay. It's telling me you're allowed to only answer 5 questions per subject. Okay, yeah, simply that pop-up is coming out because I have not activated the software. But then I'm just using this as an example. Afterwards I'll show you how to go about the activation. All right, continue. Just to have access, look at it. We have English, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Yeah, so interesting software. So if you tap submit, yeah, it will tell you, do you want to submit? Yes. And beautiful part of it again is it analyzes your results. English, it tells you what to have in oral form. How many oral form questions do we have? Same thing with mathematics. I use this a lot for quite good number of students. Many of them, this is how we get their weak point, and we tend to work on their weak point for the exam. And this is just a very important secret. You can share on social media platforms and meet your friends and the likes. Quite interesting. As if that is not all, observe so closely. You have the calculator aspect you can actually use. The beauty of this software is when you have it on a PC, it will look exactly like as if you're practicing or you are doing the real Jamb exam itself. But then beauty of the phone is obviously it's carryable. You can take it anywhere you really want to take it. So that is just that. The last thing I really want to show you is how to go about the activation. Yeah, quit exam. Now let's assume I want to activate. Just like I said, I cannot have access to audio question except I activate the software. So I'm going to look for how to go about the activation. Here's the activation. Just tap activate, and it will tell you to insert your key. If you have the key, perhaps you've purchased from someone and the person should definitely give you a key. Like for those that will be getting from me, what I do is I use your product key to generate a key for you, where you insert the key and you'll be able to activate. If it is a pin you have, you can also buy the pin. Provided the pin, all you just need to do is just to activate with the pin. Now you can do buy activation key. You can actually buy online, or if you tap pay online with card, yeah, 2,000 naira is the amount to get the software to work effectively. But trust me, if you actually miss those that got our audio book on how to easily gain admission into Nigerian universities, I'm definitely going to give you this for free. Yeah, you're going to have it as part of the package which you paid for. But then if you just want to get the software, I actually used to give a discount of like 30%. So for those that want to really get the software directly from me, instead of you getting 2,000 naira, you would get either 1,700 or 1,800 naira, depending on the offer that is available as at then. So this is just all about this. I really hope you're going to take advantage of this piece of information and you're going to take action to get the best out of the upcoming Jamb exam. Thank you very much for your time. Peace out.